welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiffany. In today's video, I will be doing a twist out, as you guys see. So I'll be demonstrating how I was able to achieve this beautiful twist out that I did on myself using Mielle pomegranate and honey twisting souffle and using their leave-in conditioner. So let's get into this video. So my hair is in 4. I am doing the LOC method for my twist out. So I already have liquid from the water and I used coconut oil. And now for my cream, I'm going to use mielleorganics twisted souffle. And I'm gonna use Wetline Extreme Gel. This is my first time using this combo, so I really hope to the hair gods it works. But before that, I definitely need to put some leave-in conditioner, and this leave-in conditioner is from mielleorganics as well for the pomegranate and honey line. So using this much leave-in. Took this much of the twisting souffle. Took some gel. Gonna get my detangle brush. Then I'm just gonna finger coil it at the end. All right, one twist down, so many more to go. So let's keep it going. This is like my first time doing such like mini twists on my hair. Let's see how it comes out. So far I am seeing like a little bit of white stuff, as you can see right there. I think it's from obviously the leave-in and the twisting souffle, because for the leave-in that's just here, there is no like white residue. So hopefully when my hair dries up, it's not like flaky. Hopefully. And then my hands is like flaky. Oh my god, you guys. I really hope this comes out good, because already I'm getting annoyed. My wash and go using mielleorganics pomegranate honey didn't go so well, so I felt like it was the custard. But so far for the twisting souffle, it's being flaky too. So I'm not trying to cancel the products, all of it yet, until we see the final results of this twist on. If it's Flake City, then y'all will know my answer. so I'm done twisting my hair. This is the final, well, not final results, but the final of the twist. And this side is more dry than this side because I finished this side first and then I finished this side. So this side you still see like the white residue. I was really going through it, twisting my hair, seeing that like, oh my god, hopefully it's not flaky when I'm done. But this side so far, it dried up. So I'm praying to the hair gods that it's not flake city and that it dries up as well. How much twist I have in my hair, I don't know. A lot, a good amount. This is like the most twists I did on my hair. So I'm probably gonna let this stay in my hair for a day and then probably gonna let it stay in for today and then take it out tomorrow and show you guys the final results. Hopefully it's a miracle because I need this to come out good. Like, who wants a hair day to come out bad? Not me. So keep watching, stay tuned. Shrinkage, snowing. So now my hair is completely dry. I only slept with it. It's only air dried for about a day and a half because after I finished my hair yesterday, I went to bed, woke up this morning, did what I had to do, and now I'm about to take it out. So I'm gonna use some coconut oil while I take out my twist. So when you just take them out gentle like that, and this is how it is. Okay, so now I took out all my twists. Honestly, this twist out looks so good. All right, I was a little scared because twisting souffle. I saw a little white stuff when I was doing my hair, but now that it's dry, you guys, it's good. I don't see anything white in my hair. So, okay, this twisting souffle, y'all bounce back. All right, so now I'm just going to separate each one of them because this is a little too uniform for me. I want my hair to look bigger. So I'm just gonna take them one by one. You know, gotta get your afro pick and fluff it out. Okay, you guys, this is the final results. Okay, go big or go home, boo boo. No, I'm really feeling this twist out because in the beginning with all that white residue that you saw, I was like, please Lord, don't be Flake City, please hair guys. I just want this twist out to come off bomb.com. Okay, and the hair gods delivered, and it did, hunty up. Nah, but follow every instructions I said, you guys, and your twist out will come out bomb.com just like mine. Okay, now let's get into the products that I use on my review. For their leave-in conditioner, it was okay. It didn't feel as moisturizing compared to other leave-in conditioners, but it was okay for the money that I spent, but it wouldn't have been in my top 5 of leave-in conditioners. Just keeping it real. Okay, so this Twisting Souffle, it's good because as you see these results, they are the bomb. I just did not like that white residue. Like, why? But it dried up, so we're all good cookies and milk, you guys. And there's no flakes at all, so that's another thing, because you know some products, when you do have white residue, they do tend to be flaky, but this Twisting Souffle, there is no flakes. It's not flaky. Is it worth the hype? Yeah, it is. They did their thing when they created this Twisting Souffle, honey. I will say that, okay? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video with my twist out using mielleorganics pomegranate and honey Twisting Souffle. It was a 1, honey. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below, let me know if you're gonna try out these products as well, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can stay in tune with all my videos. I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Bye.